Good morning mga beshies! So for today's video, we're gonna try the cable car here in San Francisco, and this is also one of the iconic activities actually that you can add to your bucket list here in San Francisco, and definitely it's gonna be fun. Okay, so alright, let's try this one, and it's gonna be our last day here in San Francisco, so I hope I'm gonna make a blast for today. Alright, so let's go, okay, and try it. Let's go. Bye.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, so this is the cable car that we were going to try this morning here in San Francisco. Okay, so medyo mahaba na yung pila, as you can see, no? Ayan yung mga naghihintay dyan. Okay, so I think every 15 minutes merong train. Okay, let's go. Okay, so mga beshi, what we did is we buy the ticket first. Yan, ito yung itsura niya for 1-day pass. Yan, so this is back and forth, and I think this is for the entire day today. So magsasawa tayo sa cable car today. So this is the instruction. Ayan, how you gonna use it. Ayan, so we're gonna shoot a lot of videos and pictures here. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go. Ayan, so dumating na yung cable car. So nag-start na siyang pasakayin yung mga tao. Ayan, so we're gonna try that one for the whole day, back and forth. That's good. Oh, diba? Nakaabang sila lahat, mga beshi. So, ganyan siya. Para bumalik. Bongga. Oh, diba? Ang galing. Okay guys, malapit na tayo sumakay. So, ayan yung dadaanan ng cable car guys. Ayan. Tara, sakay na tayo guys. Paakyat siya guys. Actually papunta siyang Fisherman Wharf. So babalik tayo dun para kumain. Ayan guys, so tapos na tayo mga beshi sa cable car. Okay, but we're gonna ride again one more time later on when we get back. So medyo hingal lang kasi packet guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Yan. So, we're going to Lombard Street, which is one of also the tourist spot here. Lombard Street, yun yung parang paakyat, the steepest road here. At parang bituka ng manok yung daan. Check natin doon. Okay, let's go. So, that is the Lombard Street. As you can see, di ba? Ay yung mga sasakyan, no? Parang hirap na hirap sila pababa. Oh, see? Oh, di ba? Pachikot-chikot ang daan. Oh, di ba? Ayan. Ganyan yung Lombard Street. Oh, 'di ba habang katat ko yung ate ko, oh, saan ka pa? Hi to my vlog, te. Okay, mga beshi, nandito na tayo sa Fisherman's Wharf. Ayan, doon napunta na natin to. At na-feature ko na to dun sa mga previous vlogs ko. So, punta ulit tayo dito, guys. Let's go. So, nandito na tayo ulit sa Fisherman's Wharf. Ayan, mga beshi. Then, we're going to walk, going to Budin. Budin is located at Pier 39. Ayan, so, actually, someone gave me, hi Tita Esperanza. Ayan, from San Francisco. She's a fellow. And she gave me a discount card. And we're gonna eat there. Kung ano yung sinasabi nila na famous na food there. Here in San Francisco. So we're gonna try that out. So let's figure out how does it taste. Okay? For us, Filipinos, na first time here in San Francisco. So we're gonna try that out. Okay? Let's go! So, ayun na tayo guys. And as you can see, no, walang masyadong tao kasi today is Tuesday here. And tapos na yung Labor Day and tapos na rin yung weekend. So definitely most of the people here are busy now sa trabaho for sure, no? Ang dami talaga nung nagpunta ako dito, sobrang dami. So ngayon, walang masyadong tao. Let's go. Ayan guys, so before we go to Budin, okay, we're gonna try this out first, this In-N-Out. So parang may nag-request lang sa isa sa mga friends ko na i-try ito kasi sabi niya yung friend niya nagdala daw ng burger dyan, no? And then pinaghati-hatian daw nila pa yon from San Francisco to Philippines. So ganun siya kasarap. So let's try and rate natin kung masarap talaga itong In-N-Out na to. So shout out tayo sa'yo Ainsley, because of you, no? Napagastos tayo, joke. And then let's try this out kung masarap talaga itong In-N-Out dito sa San Francisco. Let's go! Ayan, so medyo marami pa rin pila like before kasi nung last punta ko dito, marami talagang pila. And then until now, marami pa rin siyang pila. Thank you. Ayan, ang ating food, mga besh. Mukhang masarap. Tingnan natin. Ayan guys, so tingnan natin kung masarap talaga siya. Shout out again to you, Ainsley, because of you. Ayan, tatry natin to. So yung cute ng salt nila, para siyang tingnan natin. Masarap nga. Masarap. Ang fairness. Out of 10, 9. 9 siya sa akin. Out of 10. Okay. So, this must be one of your bucket list here in San Francisco. kapag nagpunta kayo dito. So you're gonna try this one. It's In-N-Out fast food chain here. Then itong tawag nila dito is Barts. So I chose the Barts kasi may mga options naman like Coke, Royal, Sprite, Dr. Pepper, yeah. So those are common for me. So try ko to, iba naman. Pero para sa root beer, yung Barts. Yan. Kain lang ako, guys. So okay na Ainsley, kung sino nasan ka man ngayon. So thank you for endorsing this food to me. Ayan, bumalik pa talaga ako ng Fisherman's Wharf para dito. At least mas maganda ngayon kasi hindi matao, hindi crowd, mas mabilis ako nakakuha ng food. This would be my lunch for today, and probably baka dinner ko na. Joke lang. So we're gonna try out later on for our dinner the budin. Okay, so we're gonna try that later. Okay, tingnan natin kung malaki yung discount natin later on. Let's go. Kain lang muna ako, guys, ha. Kain natin yung price nila. Yung price nila parang ano lang, KFC. Para sa akin, no? Pero masarap naman, okay naman. Kain lang ako. So ngayon, for our next destination, guys, is we're gonna try to go in Goodwill, which is the one of the cheapest store, I guess, to buy souvenirs and stuff like that. Yeah, like bread magnet, whatever. Yeah, so we're gonna try that one here in San Francisco. Okay, so ang sarap ng bagong refill. Alright, so we're going to Lombard's Street. Ayan. So yeah, that's it. Then we're gonna have a dinner later on in Bodine. But I think meron silang other branch in Macy's. Yeah. Si Tita Esperanza nagsabi sa akin nun. So we're gonna try that one. Okay, so mas malapit sa hotel ko. Okay, so this is my outfit for today, the San Francisco t-shirt. So ayan, guys, tumatambay muna tayo dito sa may park. Yan, dito sa may Fisherman's Wharf kasi nga bawal ang soft drinks or any drinks na possible matapon sa cable car. Ayun, so natapos muna natin, then para makasakay na tayo papunta doon sa next destination natin for today. And sobrang, wala lang, share ko lang kasi sobrang ang ganda dito. I mean, ang lamig. Ay, kahit nakakabilid ako sa araw, ang lamig kasi ng hangin. And then nakadoble-doble pa ako, diba? Kahit maaraw. Ganda. Wala masyadong tao ngayon kasi nga weekdays, Tuesday ngayon, and then tapos na yung holiday dito kahapon. Ayun, so more on parang yung galak ngayon, more on relax. Hindi ako nag-rush kasi nga siguro mas maganda yung nagtatravel tayo pero relax din, hindi tayo lagi nag-rush, diba? Sarap tumira dito, guys. Dito na tayo tumira. Ayan, mga beshi, so for the last destination na pupunta natin for today bago tayo bumalik ng hotel ay titikim tayo ng food dito sa Bodine. Ayan, so thank you so much po for the discount card na binigay sa atin ni Tita Esperanza. So parang ang binayaran ko lang total sa bill ko is like $15 lang. Ayan, so thank you so much, Tita. So, ayan. Tingnan natin kung masarap ito. Okay. So, kapag nagpunta ka dito sa San Francisco, ito yung dapat mong kainin. Isa sa mga dapat mong kainin kasi masarap daw ito dito. Pero feel ko na, meron na ito sa Pilipinas eh. Feel ko lang. Okay, tingnan natin. So, ito guys, yung sinasabi nilang masarap. Tingnan natin kung masarap talaga. Tapos, nag-order ako ng garlic bread. Tapos, cinnamon bread. Ito, for takeout. So, para siya bukas. Tapos, diet coke. Diba? Parang hindi ako nagda-diet. Porket last day ko na dito. Sa San Francisco. Para siyang ano. Alam niyo yun sa ano. Sa mga Indian food. Ganun siya. Yung lasa niya. Pati yung amoy niya. Para siyang ewan. Hindi pa naman ako milig sa ano. Sa Indian food. Meat daw kasi ito, meat. I don't think kung mauubos ko to kasi ang laki niya talaga. Ang laki, pati tinapay, ang laki. Tapos ito yung takip yan eh. Tingnan nyo guys. O, diba? So, paano ko siya ubusin? Taray. Diba? Panalo. Yeah. So, dapat meron kayong panghimagas, which is soft drinks, pampadiyay. Try naman natin yung garlic bread nila kung masarap, guys. So, yeah. Masarap. Masarap sa fairness. Yung garlic bread nila dito. I love it. Sausaw. Ano lasa? Sarap. Grabe. Tataba ako dito pag ganito lagi kain ko.